overcome any challenges that come
Iwas yung
our way.
konti.
Together, we can make this year a magical one. Thank you for entrusting me with this great responsibility, and I look forward to serving with you all. Thank you.
Has contributed to the success of our club and the advancement of our mission. When I first assumed the role of president, I knew the task ahead would be daunting but rewarding. I set out with a vision that our club, Rotary Club of Freeport Zone, would become a beacon of light in the community, a place where dreams could flourish, where hopes would be restored, and where unity would drive us forward. President Osi Peralta, your commitment to Rotary's ideals and your demonstrated leadership will serve this club well. It is with great pride and trust that I transfer the responsibility of the Rotary presidency to you.
A magical evening, ladies and gentlemen. The new set of officers for the Rotary Club of River Zone, Subic Bay, 2024-2025, and will be the guiding light of our magical journey this year. The club president, Rosario R. Peralta. Marjorie Sagizi Dizon, president-elect, public image chair, yours to plans. Altea Maria P. Peñalosa, the president nominee and vice president. Liana De Leon Vitug, the secretary. Januario F. Ramos, treasurer. Ian Roque Bonifacio, sergeant at arms. The Rotary Creating Hope President, Noel Lincoln Saino, immediate past President and Administration Chair. Erlinda De Vera Arcedon, the Rotary Foundation Chair. Marilo Visican Arinduque, Service Projects Chair. The Membership Chair, Jennifer Vista Atuan. Paul Jan Digia Bacadaan. The New Generation Chair, Jesus M. Garcia. Again, let's give a round of applause to our new sets of officers who will lead us through a magical year ahead. Thank you.
Ako si Mr. Suave.